and answering them with his excellent expertise. Andrew, what do you have for us?
Yeah, our theme this morning is Ice, Ice Baby. More importantly, it is or more specifically, I should say, it's the ice jam action that is going on especially the Rock River. Let's take a look at our question here for this morning. Comes from Thomas in Morrison asking, why does even thin ice cause problems on the river? Ice is ice, and whether it's thick or thin, it will absolutely pile up and cause some major issues. So if you look at the physics behind the ice jam setup, of course, we're starting to see this now because we're in the midst of this January thaw, allowing that ice to crack and eventually break up, and the rain will even cause some of that as we go into tomorrow as well. But even the smallest chunks of ice can adhere to the sides of the riverbank and grow in size as more chunks of ice come down the river. Once that blockage occurs, you get a quick rise in river levels upstream of the blockage, but downstream you actually get a fall in river levels. But it doesn't matter the thickness of the ice, because multiple ice chunks will cause one big giant kind of iceberg to form right along the riverbank itself. And why do we see these on the Rock River as opposed to the Mississippi River? Well, one, the Mississippi River is wider than the Rock River, giving it a lot more wiggle room for this ice to move through. But check out the Rock River. Its geography here. This is in Whiteside County, specifically around Linden and Prophetstown. Look at the extreme curviness to that river. Those are not gentle curves. Those are very sharp curves. And what happens is the ice gets piled in those curves right along the riverbank as the river moves it downstream. And that's why you always get ice jams, not just here in Prophetstown and Linden, but also the Rock River here in Moline. Don't forget, it also piles up along bridges too, with the pilings that go into the river. We're going to chat more about this and our upcoming weekend storm system, and of course the one tomorrow on Ask Andrew Live. That is today, the first episode of 2026. That'll be at 9 o'clock on the A Plus app. Right after, by the way, GMQC at 8. You no longer have to wait half an hour. We're here for the full hour.